Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can transition for a sold out product from a notify me when back in stock option into an in-stock option, and I'm going to put it directly into a sale, you know, as my inventory actually comes in. Okay, so as usual, we're going to start off with our templates here. I can just use my global default for the back in stock and the in stock. So let me show you the back in stock. Here you just have the button, then we have the form here, okay, and I haven't actually put anything in for the message, because it's kind of self-explanatory, but of course you can add something there, like an estimate to when this product is actually going to come in, maybe. And just a little badge here, which I think I can make a little bit bigger. Okay, great. And now for my in stock, I'm going to edit this template right here. I have the button name. I've added a message here for them to hurry up with their purchase because I'm going to quote the inventory left in Shopify because I intend to also have like a discount for it. So I'm also going to enable this countdown timer here just to give them all the more reason to act now, right? And for my cart, I'm just going to put it here like please allow 1 to 2 days for delivery and have the badge. Yeah, this one I just need to refresh so I can see the image because I've made a change to it recently. There we go. All right. So everything looks ready for the templates, and now let's just go ahead and add the product in. And I'm going to start here in the back in stock tab, and I'm going to add my product because this option is going to become available immediately because I have no inventory in Shopify for it. So I'm going to add it in. I don't want the pre-order. I actually want the back in stock for this one. And I'm going to activate it. I'm going to use my global default template for this, but you can also create like a custom one if you have different types of settings. And now I'm also going to pick up the in-stock, which I'm going to enable, and I'd like to offer 10% discount so that they come directly from the notify me when in stock into a sale. And I think they're going to like that. So these are my options. I'm going to save this, and now we're in the back in stock. You'll notice that it's active. So if we are to look at the same page instead of sold out, I'm expecting it to say notify me. Okay, great. And if I click this, I can enter my email here. I can choose whether to be subscribed to the newsletter or not. And I can hit notify me, and then you're going to get that person's email and they're going to receive an email automatically once the item is restocked. And let's just go ahead and do that now, right? So here for this product, I'm just going to look in Shopify and I'm going to simulate some stock coming in. All right. So just need to add it here. And this option, by the way, can go back and forth. Like as you sell out and you restock, it can just go on continuously. So you just need to set it once and, you know, it'll just pendulate between the two states. So I've added some inventory now for this item. And if I go to analyze it in here, we're in the back in stock. And of course it's pending now because there's inventory for it. So there's no reason to show the notify me. But if I go to the in stock, I can see that now it's active because I actually have the inventory in Shopify for it. So right now, if I go back here and I refresh this page, I should be in the in stock option. Great. So I can see the badge, I can see the countdown timer, I can see the inventory in Shopify being quoted here. And adding this to my cart, I can see the label in here. In another video, I'm also going to show you how you can transition from a coming soon and back in stock option to the in stock option. Okay. Thank you very much.